So this is like the second time filming this intro because I went to import it to my computer and it says that it's missing. So we're gonna try it again. So anyways, hey guys, so I'm back after 2 weeks of not uploading. I'm so sorry for that. But I just finished the semester out. So I'm done with my first year of college. I have one more year to go before I graduate with my associate's degree, and then on to a different school. I finish up my last years to get my bachelor's, which is kind of insane to say. But yeah, anyways. So once again, it is that time where I do this monthly video. You may or may not know. But every month I do what I like to call the unboxing of my Sephora Playbox. So yeah, so this is amazing. I love this thing. So yeah, of course, I'm going to just get right into it because I'm kind of already annoyed. So yeah, let's get right into this. Alright, so, open it up, as always. This is what it looks like on the inside. I already opened it, so it's like, there's that, that's the inside, and it's got the little thing, and I've already peeled this off because it's just a hassle. So it is it's the second year anniversary of Sephora Playbox, and so, yeah, and this month is beauty goals, and so these are all the products that I got this month, and I can't wait to try them. So this month, this is what the little drawstring bag looks like. It's like a denim-y material, and it's got like actual like string, so it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna open it, and then so the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this. So I already did rip it open so you guys could see it. So this is the YSL Black Opium perfume, and I haven't, because it says hint, crack open the vial, you won't break it. The unique lid is made to flip upside down and close it back up. So like, I don't want to do it because like I'm scared, but like, so this is a little bottle it came in, and it's so cute. I can't wait to try it. It says there are hints, so it's a warm and spicy. The top notes are coffee accord, middle notes are orange blossom, and base note is cedar wood essence. So yeah, and I did look it up. It does run up to $146 on Sephora's site, like a full size. So yeah, fair warning. But I mean, you get a lot for that price, and it's YSL. So it makes sense as to why it's up that high. But anyways, so yeah. So that's that. Next one is this. This is the Professional by Benefit. I've actually used this before, and I totally 100% recommend it. So it is great that they actually put it in the package this year. So, like the package this month, because I love this thing. Like, I go through it so fast. I'm actually still using the primer that came in last month's box. So yeah. So it is adorable. It has silicone in it though. So it's like a silicone based primer, which some people are with, some people are against, but it does target pores, fine lines, and protects your makeup from melting, which not a lot do, but yeah. High recommendation if you don't mind silicone. Next is the Detox Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar. I've never actually used this one before. I don't know if you can see it because of the way the sun's coming in. I'm trying, but yeah, so this is it. I've used dry shampoo before. I love dry shampoo. Like, I have a bottle in my car because, like, if I forget to... Ooh, that smells good. It smells like sunscreen, but hey. Spray your root in short bursts. Okay, so like, I'm not actually gonna spray anymore. And it's safe for color-treated hair, for the record. Next is this mascara by Marc Jacobs. You can't read that because it's backwards, but it's Marc Jacobs. And it's the Violet Noir Major Volume Mascara in Noir, which is just black in French. Nothing fancy dancy about it. Oh my god. It smells so good now that I've sprayed that. I mean, it's made in Italy, but like, Marc Jacobs is a French brand. Anyways, next product is, the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. So this is the black one. I actually prefer black liner. I think it's the brush. Yeah, it's one of the brushes I like too, so. Can't wait to try this out. And I love my winged liner. And if you all know me, you know I love my winged liner. Like, it's my go-to thing. Like, I'm not wearing any today, sadly. But when I do wear eyeliner, it is always winged. Next product is a mud mask purifying and mattifying with zinc and copper by Sephora. So, on occasion, Sephora does throw their own brands in there, which is amazing because then you get to try out new products. And this smells kind of strange. It changes colors though. Every time I get a product and there's like some on the lid, I always take it off of the lid to like test it. What color does it change into? Watch. It's gonna be just like a lighter. It's gonna be a lighter gray. That's what's gonna happen, y'all. I know it. Because, yeah, it's just becoming a lighter gray. Oh, but I'm like trying to block the light for y'all. But like, that's that. Because like the tree keeps moving that's outside of my window, but yeah. Yeah, that's all of the products this month. So, this is a defying mud mask that clarifies skin with zinc and copper. It's this one. It's the Sephora one. This one is a velvety, no clump mascara. Creates voluminous lashes with unique curvy brush. Ooh, fun. Fun, fun, fun. This is a waterproof liquid eyeliner with a super fine brush tip that goes on smoothly. And it's, the reason why it's called tattoo liner is because it's inspired by the tip of the tattoo needle that creates crisp, slip-free lines every time. It's buildable, it has a quick dry formula and major pigmentation. So this one is a fan favorite dry shampoo that adds volume and absorbs dirt and oils between washes. So yeah, that's gonna be my best friend tomorrow. An intoxicating, invigorating blend of featuring notes of high energy coffee, seductive vanilla, and sweet white flower. I love, like, my scent is vanilla. Yeah, see, that's the color it changes into, y'all. It's like nothing. It's nothing. So yeah. But like anything that smells like vanilla, I'm in love. Next is so this one is an oil-free priming balm that minimizes the look of pores and control all day shine. So yeah, that is actually why I like it, because it does minimize your pores, but only because it's got the silicone in it. It smells good though. Okay, I'm getting off topic, but yeah, that was the video for today. It's kind of short, I know, I'm sorry, but my video next week will be a little bit longer. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. And be sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as like this video, and comment down below what else you'd like to see. And up here in the corner, I will be putting links to all of my subscription boxes, all my Sephora subscription boxes, if you guys want to check out the past month. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.